Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an Amazon wish list for a non-profit. The first thing you will need to do is go into the Amazon app. Once on the app, I want you to tap right where you see your profile icon. Then from there you are going to tap on your list in the top right hand corner right below buy again. Then you are going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. And right where you see shopping list, you are going to tap right in front of shopping and you are going to clear that and you can type in wish list. And from there you could type in wish list for a non-profit. So you could do that real quick. Let me do that. After you have done that, you are going to tap on create list. And after you have created the list, it is now time to start adding items to the list. To add items, all you'll need to do is tap on the home icon in the bottom left hand corner. And after doing that, you can search for the items that you would like to add. So let's say, for example, I would like to add this item. All you'll need to do once you're on the product page, you're going to tap on the heart icon and you can see item added to wish list. Now, after you have added a few items to your wish list, to find the wish list, all you'll need to do is tap on your profile icon again, then tap on your list. Then from there you could tap on wish list. After you have done that, to start sharing your wish list, all you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. And from here you'll be able to invite persons to view your wish list or to add other items to the wish list. So you'll tap on invite a list. Then from there you could tap on view only if you would like persons to be only able to view and purchase items of your wish list. Or if you would like to give them editing preferences, you could tap on view and edit. So they'll be able to not only add and remove, they'll be able to not only view, but they'll also be able to add and remove items. And with either one of these options, to share your link, all you'll have to do is tap on copy link. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.